Anti-Gravity, which is Google's agentic IDE, recently introduced agent skills, and people have been doing a lot of interesting stuff with skills. But things got a little more interesting in the last couple of days. This is where we got a new skill via the company called Remotion, which allows you to now create videos via code. Now, Anti-Gravity obviously has access to Google Veo, but the big difference here is here we are actually generating the video directly through code. Now, there are a lot of videos which talk about how you can do this with Claude Code, but in this video, I want to talk about how you can use Anti-Gravity with Remotion skills. The really cool thing here is you can also use the combination of Nano Banana from Google in order to make your videos much more interesting. For example, let's look at this video. Wasn't that a cool video? Now, I was able to generate that end-to-end video by just writing a prompt in English, and this was completely generated with Anti-Gravity leveraging the Remotion skills. Now, let me take you through step by step on how I was able to do that so that you can also generate on your end, all right? So the number one thing I want you to do is look into remotion.dev. This is basically the company which has made this skill available. So you can see this is the particular command which we will be running in the terminal to make our Anti-Gravity ready to be leveraging this particular skill. And this is where the actual skill is. So I am in the GitHub repository where they have made the skill available. And you can see the name of the skill is Remotion Best Practices, and they've given the description, metadata, etc. And this is nothing but a collection of multiple rules, which basically the agent will be reading. And based on the rules, for example, compositions.md, based on the rules, it's going to be creating a React code, right? Which ultimately creates the video, right? That's the only thing which we need to understand. So in this case, what exactly are the skills that we are going to be using? This is the particular skill that we have over here. And we will be able to directly point our agent to this particular skill. As I was saying earlier, we need to make our agent aware of this particular skill. So what we will do as step number one is we will go into Anti-Gravity and then install the necessary dependencies, and you will see that in action. I want to take you through really step by step. And in case you do not have Anti-Gravity, you can actually go to antigravity.google, and this is where you can simply click on download for Windows, or if you have a Mac device or whatever, you will be able to do that. So that's a pretty straightforward process. So I'm not going to get into that. Once you have done that, then you click on Anti-Gravity, and this is the default landing page, right? Now, you already have an agent mode here. You also have something called as an agent manager, which allows you to run multiple agents in parallel. So you will be able to do that. And there is a concept of workspace, which is pretty cool. What that really means is depending on the project that you're running, you can either use a playground if you're doing something pretty quickly, or you can actually work on a particular workspace. So I'm going to go back here, and what I'm going to do is actually first, as I mentioned before, I'm going to install the dependencies, and that is where I'm going to just use the terminal over here. So the first thing which I'm going to do is create a new folder, which I'm going to be using for this particular demo. So I'm just going to say that, okay, make directory AI with Surya, Remotion demo. So now, I'm going to be in this particular folder. Okay, so I'm just going to open this. And you will see that there are no files whatsoever, right? So now I'm in that particular folder, and you can see that it shows that. And then here, I'm just going to now type this particular command that we had seen before, right? So I'm just going to make sure we can all see. And then I'm going to click on this. And this is a really cool templatized option. So I'm going to select blank, which is just, I want to start with an empty canvas. I'm going to say yes to tailwinds, and I'm going to say yes to agent skills, right? So you can ignore the error because it just says that it has already created the project, and you can see the repository has been cloned. You can already see all the stuff which is over here. It has found the skill Remotion Best Practices, which was the exact skill that we saw, and it is installing it to Gemini, CLI, and Anti-Gravity. So it basically does everything for us just in a very short amount of time. And you can verify this as well. You can already see that this is the skills folder, which it has the skills.md file. And this is again the stuff that we had seen. So just to go back here, you can see this is exactly what we saw over there, right? So it has copied all of that here in Anti-Gravity. So these are all the different rules which it has copied, right? So we have exactly got what we wanted. And now we will proceed with the next step here. Okay. So the next step here is actually suggesting what should we be doing. So we can just start with npm-i, which will install again all the dependencies, because the previous step really basically cloned everything. So now it is installing all the dependencies for the Remotion. So you can see this new particular module just got installed. So these are basics, some set of like commands, which I'm going to share with you later. Makes it very easy for you to run. And then I'm just going to run this particular command, right? npm run dev. So npm run dev. I'm just going to give that, and this is where it's going to run that particular command. And here the server is already ready, right? And it opened it for us. So this is localhost at localhost 3000. And right now, this is the blank screen where you have the editor for us, right? Till now, what we have done is we have cloned this as we had suggested that I want a blank canvas. That's why it created a blank canvas. If I would have suggested anything else here when we were actually like creating it, it would have created some sort of a template, right? So there are a lot of templates available, but for the moment, I've gone ahead and created a blank canvas, okay? So we'll keep this running while we actually go and work with the agent mode, but I think you're getting the idea, right? So we just cloned the repository, then installed the skill. We see all the different files which are available over here, and now we are good to go, right? So now we will actually leverage the agent manager over here. And we already have this new workspace. So I'm just going to go into that. Now, one thing to note here is you could have done all of these things directly in a terminal, but I just wanted to do this end-to-end in Anti-Gravity so that you can see what's really happening. All right, so I have an interesting scenario in mind. I want to create a YouTube intro video which has my face as well as some animation, and it has my branding, which is AI with Surya, okay? So in order to do that, I'm going to take advantage of Anti-Gravity and its integration with Nano Banana, as well as I want to personalize it. So I will also upload my own image so that the video can actually take advantage of that. So in order for me to do that, what I'm going to do is, if you go back to Anti-Gravity here, if you look at the structure, right? So the agent has got the skill, and you see all the rules, which is over here, right? Which is exactly what happened when we were installing it. In the public folder, we need to actually create a new subfolder called assets, which will actually store all of these different files, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. And I'm going to create a new folder, which is assets inside public. Okay. So I'm just going to type assets, and that's about it. Now, what I'm going to do here is, this is one of the pictures that I have. You can see over here, which I just created. I'm going to copy this and go into this folder, public assets, and I'm just going to paste it. So this has got surya.jpg as my profile picture as part of the assets folder, right? So that's the only thing which I want. And you can see it's already reflected over here. With that in mind, what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the agent manager, and I'm going to now enter this particular prompt. Now, I took a little bit of a help from Gemini, but I'm just going to read this prompt so that you can understand, like, once you have the idea, of course, you should take advantage of AI to help you expand on the prompt. So what I'm going to say here is read the Remotion skills, which is already here. So I'm pointing it. You don't necessarily have to do that, but I just want to be sure. And then create a cinematic YouTube intro video for this particular channel. You should use the assets which are here. Use this, do not generate a new image. For the others, what I'm saying is start with a dark blue gradient background, use this. Image has this particular zoom effect, then scene 2, scene 3, and then these are some of the technical requirements, right? So now what I can do is let's use like the Gemini 3 Pro High, and I'm going to click on send, and that's it. So I think the idea here is really making sure that you exactly know what you want to share, etc. And this is something where you can actually use the agent to go ahead and create your end-to-end video for you. So I'm using Gemini 3 Pro, which is the highest model available. And the expectation is it is going to read all the details, and you can already see it has got the skill. It is reading now, going through all the rules, etc. It is defining the scene parameters and stuff like that. I'm hoping that it is going to be able to create the video as we discussed, right? So here it goes, is giving the implementation plan. These are the different components that we'll be creating. And then once it is done, then it is going to ask us to run the npm run dev. So I'm just going to say proceed. And now it is going to go ahead and execute and run this particular thing. So this is something which I love about Anti-Gravity. It really creates it creates an implementation detail or a plan for us. And then once we approve then it is going to be running this and creating whatever deliverable that we are asking it to do, right? So we're going to give it a few seconds and it is going to continue making progress. Now you can see that it is continuing to make progress and it's registering some of the components, but it's really working through all the things based on the rules in the skill, which is pretty. And there you go. So we have a walkthrough available over here. I've created a 15-second cinematic intro video AI with Surya. I am very interested in looking at this. All right, so let's run this particular command in the terminal here, which is npm run dev, and it should basically open up what it has created, right? So there you go. It looks like it has created something. So let's see what it is. All right, so it starts with my picture, AI with Surya. Welcome to the channel. It zooms in. Fantastic. And it has got this particular scene as well, and has got some dashboard kind of stuff here. There's just movement here, which is pretty cool as well. AI with Surya, subscribe for the future. Please do. So I think this is wonderful. We were able to just create this with the prompt. And if you want to download this, you have this option available where you are able to create just the vendor. You can go ahead and render this. If you also have like pictures and stuff like that that you want to extract, you're able to do that as well. But this is just awesome, right? You can see that you have the assets folder here, which has this particular picture of mine. So you can also upload and refer the assets here. But this renderer is part of Remotion, and you are able to create this pretty quickly. So that was something which I wanted to share with you guys, that you can actually take advantage of Anti-Gravity to do this end to end. All you need to do is actually take advantage of the Remotion skill, call that in Anti-Gravity, think of a scene, and then you are able to create an end-to-end video, an animated video pretty quickly. Now, this one is a little bit different because you can actually programmatically go ahead and create a video, and you can continuously change and update your prompts so that you can incrementally build different types of videos. Now, Remotion has the showcase page as well, where you can see some of the amazing stuff that folks have built using this. So you can see here, this is like a complete code as an animated format. You can see here the next Next.js.
It's a file system-based route shell, where routes are.
It also has an audio, which is pretty cool. So all of these are available as part of their showcase. So this will definitely give you some very interesting ideas as well. Okay. So I'm hoping this was helpful. You now understand how to use the Remotion skills within Anti-Gravity to create a very fantastic personalized animation. You can add your own assets and stuff like that. And it does a fantastic job because it is coding, literally coding the video for you, right? So please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section, and I'll do my best to respond. And if you like the video, please do hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe if you're interested in getting these kind of video updates in the future. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for your time, and I will see you in the next one.